Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just the other day, I made a video about sizing text from the get-go. And I go, with nothing selected, you take your text, and before you click anything, you go down here and pick 100 points. You're going to come up with this graphic. And what I was doing wrong was unchecking the paragraph text. So now we're at 72, but as soon as I click, it goes to 100. Because of the fact, and the viewer subscriber kind of pointed this out, right now it's in paragraph text because you could draw a paragraph. So if you grab it and you grab the text, it goes to 100 points. So if you want it to be 100 points, always have trouble. I don't ever use paragraph text. If you want it to be 100 points now, and when you click it, before you do anything with your mouse on this, go 100 points and go paragraph and artistic text. Now it says 100 points. We'll get our text tool, click on it, and it's 100 points. So I thank that viewer subscriber for pointing that out. Since I never used paragraph text, I never knew that, but I've always had that problem. That it would always change, but it would write right. I mean, it would write at 100 points, but it would change. And then if you want that, and that's fine with me, I've got everything else set. 0.001, I got my duplicate distance on 0, I write in red, I got my rulers right. I'm gonna go to tools, set a default, and have all these checked. And then when I open a new page, and I go to my text, I've got 100 points, and I can write at 100 points. So I thank that viewer subscriber, and thank you for watching. I hope that helped a little bit.